All right, if you have a Pocket 3 and you're looking for some good accessories, especially some good lights, this one right here from Flymile is great. It comes in two pieces right here, and you have the spot that goes around your Pocket 3. It sits perfectly into place. You can see how it would sit down at the bottom. Then it gives you two cold shoe mounts on the side, and then you have the light. It's USB-C rechargeable. It comes with the cable and everything. You can see how it charges on the side there, and you can easily pop that light on the cold shoe, and now you have a nice little fill light. You pop that, there's a little power button on the side, and you have different modes you can shuffle through, different color temperatures and brightness levels. So great if you want to use this for vlogging, especially at night or low light. This is going to help bring a lot more light to it. And then the light itself has that little action mount grip to it as well. So instead of using the cold shoe, you could just snap it on just like that. So you have the little clasps and they just snap on, and then you can flip it over the other side if you want to. And it snaps into place. So that's really cool. But if you wanted to use it with a quarter thread mount, you can use that and snap it on. So that's awesome. Great light, good diffusion to it, and just all around great accessories. Highly recommended if you have the Pocket 3. This gives you a lot more options for, good lighting and stuff like that. So highly recommend this system right here, and thanks for watching.